Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Sonic the Hedgehog avatar decoration on Discord for free. It does only last approximately around it lasts around like 2 months. So you're going to go to Discover. If you're on servers, just go to quests, and under this one, the Sonic 3 quest, you're going to select Start Video Quest. You just need to watch the Sonic 3 trailer to win a Shadow Avatar. Okay, so I'm just going to watch the avatar. I'm not going to show you guys, but I'm just going to watch it. Okay, now that I've watched the full trailer, you do have to watch it, don't skip it. You're going to select Claim Reward. Another verification process, and voila, you can even use it right now if you'd like to by pressing Use Now. Or if you want to, you can go to user settings here. It's enabled. Let me just disable it first. Then you can add it here, change decoration, and then you can add the Sonic decoration and press apply. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.